In this video, we're talking about how to install mesh screens on your new apartment windows so you can finally enjoy fresh air without bugs crashing your vibe, and how to deal with that annoying screw that's blocking your window from opening wide enough for the install. Installing mesh screens is a total game changer for keeping bugs out while still letting the breeze in, but sometimes you hit a snag like a security screw that's stopping your window from opening fully. That screw you're dealing with sounds like a hex security bit, which isn't your average screwdriver job. Luckily, places like Harbor Freight have these affordable sets of security bits that cover all the bases. You know, security Allen, Torx, pinhole Allen, or hex keys. That'll make removing or adjusting those screws way easier. Just grab a set for around $5 and you'll be set to tackle any weird screws holding you back. When you're installing the mesh, make sure to measure twice and cut your screen material just right so it fits snug without gaps where bugs could sneak in. Also, don't forget to check if your window frame needs any extra clips or adhesive strips to keep the screen tight and secure. Patience is key here. Rushing can cause damage to the frame or screen, so take your time to get everything lined up perfectly. One of the biggest headaches when installing mesh screens is not having the right tools for those odd security screws. Trying to force them with a regular screwdriver just leads to stripped heads and frustration. Another common issue is not properly sealing the edges of the screen, which lets bugs slip through tiny gaps and ruins all your hard work. Lastly, folks often overlook checking the window's movement before installing the screen, so they end up with something that blocks or jams the window. To fix these, definitely invest in a good set of security bits like the ones from Harbor Freight, so you can easily remove or adjust those screws. Use weatherproof adhesive tape or screen clips designed for your window type to seal edges tight, and test your window's full range of motion before attaching the mesh so you avoid blocking anything. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're looking to connect with trustworthy local contractors who can help with projects like these or bigger home upgrades. Plus, it's great for contractors too, because it helps them find real local gigs without the usual hassle.